Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to view song credits on YouTube Music. I'll show you how to do this on mobile, and then I'll show you how to do this on PC. On mobile, open YouTube Music, and once opened, on any audio, you can tap on the three dots beside the audio, and you see view song credits. Or you can tap and hold down on the audio, and you see view song credit under menus. And also while listening to a song, you can also tap on the three dots on the song, and you see more options in this section. Here you see view song credits. Simply tap on view song credits and you'll be able to see the song credits. Now it's quite easy to find song credits on PC. On PC, all you need to do is hover over any of the music and you find the three dots. Also, you can right click on the music and you can scroll and you will find view song credits. But when you do this on video, you won't be able to find song credits. While playing the music, you can right click on the three dots on the music and you'll be able to view song credits. Click on view song credits and you get the full credits of the song. So thank you for watching this video on how to view song credits on YouTube Music, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do make sure to like and subscribe.